So I'm having a small issue with the car. Car is off now. When it started up, set operating temperature. I've been driving it for a while, and I went to go punch it, and the idle would not drop. It stays here. So I don't know if you guys remember that video, the previous video, where I had issues with my idling, had to take the whole intake off. Well, unfortunately, because of the solid engine mount, that problem is back again. Oh my goodness. Know y'all heard that. Now the problem again from the hard solid mount. Vacuum leak again. I just replaced this intake gasket, and it's already came loose. But I got the solution for it this time. It's called Loctite. It cost me $13. As you can see, the idle is all high again. Let me compress the brake. See that? That's definitely vacuum leak. Temperatures is at normal. Compress the brake, let it go. Yep. Y'all stay tuned, y'all. This time I'm going to... Alright, so let me show you all the issue I had last time. So the last time, when I took the intake off, when I unhooked the bolts and I tried to slide it back, kept getting bumped right here, right? So I'm not going through that again. It was hell. I had to take these bolts out, which is hell to get to. You see one bolt down here and one down there, and when I tried to slide it back, it just didn't have any room. Like you can see it, it's like sitting on there. So the set, I realized, comes with several different gaskets. It comes with the throttle body gasket, it comes with the EGR gasket, which I have blocked off, and it comes with the intake manifold gasket. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this here, and there's another one under here. I'm going to slowly disassemble the intake and then take it apart that way. So hopefully it works. So hey, y'all definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I'm curious to see how this is going to work this time around. Hopefully I can find an easier way to get this stuff done.